My great people of Nigeria, General Asabuja, and they cry for what they happen for Nigeria. And they cry. And I see how they cry. They cry fit me. You don't fit me. And I don't see how I ugly where they cry. And they cry for Nigeria. I'm sorry for Nigeria. Now where election don't reach. Hey! I'm who saw the children they cry. The queen of the seraph. And they cry. Oh, Nigeria, sorry. God, Nigeria, God, why? Now where election don't reach. Now president go tell who's on doing job, making share palliative, making share this one, making share palliative for the 36 the states, for 39 countries, 36 states, 36 this one, 49 countries, 50 countries, making share for 50 states. Because election don't reach. Because election dey down. Now they go remember to share food. Make una go take food. Make una go take palliative. Woman being. Now you go remember to share something. Now like this we go dey live. Make you share things for 36 states. Palliative now like this. Because election don't reach. You don't see hungry people. You don't see longer throat. We be longer throat. We be hungry people. We be full. We be mugu. We be cleansed. We be zombie. Anyhow na push us we dey. Anyhow na push us we dey. Make them share palliative. Now wetin we dey see? Because election don't come. It won't come back second tenor. Now we dey see. Nigerians now like this. When we talk like they say, go catch that man. Go arrest that Asabuja. Go set them up, frame them up. Now na hand war. I dey fear. I know the fear. Death dey my pocket. Now my name, I carry the waka. I am the Amusu of the Chorobi, the Queen of the Seraph, the dirty water. The same thing when they happen for NDDC. See the director of NDDC, see Oga NDDC, see chief them, see the big name with NDDC. See how they do our money. Our money they use it for burial. Our money they go invite to big Kubana, then go invite chief priest. From 9,000 money, our money see how they do. What if they invite to big Kubana chief priest? What did they contribute for Nigeria? What did they contribute for the state? If they invite them for what reason? If they invite the betrayer them, informant, saboteur, or big Kubana chief priest, if they invite them for what reason? If they do better, invite Obi Kubana. If they do program, invite Obi and chief president. What did they do? They be musician. Then the artists, then they sing. Then the businessmen, what be their business? They be I not just know they be comedian. What in them be? Them be dancers. If they invite chief priest, if they invite Obi Kubana, to do what in? And they say, oh, God will invite them, carry money, give them. They lavish our money. See people who do contract finish. People who do contract, how far? We hear say when they won't pay them. Before they give you they give me money or give you contract, they don't come up 15%, they don't come up 13%. They don't come out them. All fraud, they don't come out them before anything. The DBC they come out 13%. DBC they come out 15%. Now we hear. Go so many places, no solar light. No solar light, the ones we work better no way. Then they busy. Carry NDDC money. They rent house for woman, they buy house for woman, they buy car, they buy land for woman. General Asabuja, the great honor, the Amusu of the Chorobi, the Queen of the Seraph, and the great honor for things where they happen for Nigeria, all the states, you know they go well. And they hear where they say, on your mandate we shall stand the wheel. On your mandate we shall. Where you want stand on the mandate? Mandate where they shake. See how the country they shake. He dey busy. If na opposition they do this campaign now, what you know about talk? Campaign never reach, rally never reach. Minister first come, go local government by local government, local government by local government do your own go for Rivers State. Now on your mandate, now campaign on waiting. I don't just know how the country they go. The boy will be sharing with president Pekin or son or boy. This convoy wey they carry, this escort wey pass governor own. On another CM, wetin be position? Na him be speaker, him be adviser to president. Other people no do like this. Other president no do like this. Nigeria, wetin be suffering and smiling? See Obi Kubana, see Chief Priest, see other Igbo people. When you see bad thing, call am bad thing, or Ihojo. I shame for Obi Kubana with a group. Chief Priest, I shame for honor. I said, I'm making name missioner like this. Follow that small boy on your mandate, we shall stand. God will punish you on a dear. Thunder fire on a dear. Now like this. See how Nigeria, things every Boko Haram, bandit, fight, Kuturobo, this one is a sick on your mandate. Where the ground they shake earthquake everywhere. How much for dollar? How much for you? How much for Ghanaian rice? To what were they here? Watermelon, cucumber, to yam where they from north? How much? See fuel now, see diesel, see gas, everything. Or that's all your mandate. When Buhari dey, you know better person now. It's all your mandate. When Obasanjo, Goodluck, Jonathan, all those who dey with now at the same thing, now no be the worst. This is the worst government. It's on your mandate. Make we continue to dey worse. On your mandate, that's make we continue for the worst. You go where? When people dey busy, they cry. How they go take releasing Nnamdi Kanu? How they go take freeing Nnamdi Kanu? Person dey busy. Igbo brothers dey busy. They do on your mandate. Now you make them see president. For how long Igbo man not be vice president or president? Or I let they think that one. Why on a talk to betrayal? He talk to informant. For how many years upon years, Igbo man not come out for vice president win. Igbo man don't come out for president to win. Or let me ask that one. What you do on like this? Why on a character dey like this? Why on a character the betrayal and the run for our blood? No be all of now. Some of now. No be everybody in Igbo land. I love Igbo. I be Igbo. I love Igbo. But why betrayal do on our body? Because of chicken change. Because of peanut. You sell your pride. You sell yourself. Because of small contract, small appointment, you betray yourself. You sell yourself. I shame for honor. Shame they catch me. We on a day. Southeast people are the shame for honor. All these fights, what they shoot and killing, when they happen for Igbo land on another say to make sure say stop. Christ say we no match this thing. To make peace in Igbo land on another say. Now on your mandate they see. Ah, now wow. Boy, Ihojo. Call bad thing. God forbid. Now wow. Anywhere they go on your mandate, we're gonna chase them. Because the mandate to shake. The mandate to not go well. The masses, the youth, anywhere they go, we're gonna pursue them. The mandate to not go well. Which mandate? Will they die in hunger, poverty, hardship, no job, with the show mandate? The one where they call what did they call him? This Yoruba man, we come out, what is the name? Wait, I don't know what is this Yoruba man name. We send the activists. What is that name? Sunday Boo. See that one now. That one sell itself £1.10. That one sell itself 50 kobo. Sunday Boo sell itself 50 kobo. They wear PC cap. Activists. Now activists be that. Now an activist. I am the Amusu of the cherubim. The quick of the sarah, the dirty water, death dey my pocket and they carry waka. Death, the death wey we call Ogbanje death. Ogbanje death dey my pocket and they carry waka. Nobody will remain on the earth. Death is unbeatable, so I no shake. God has brought me to come and deliver the good news. God has sent me to come and send the good message, the good tidings. God said, go and tell them the good tidings. When I see white, I call am white. When I see blue, I call am blue. When I see yellow, I call am yellow. Now make una wan kill me. Now make una wan buy me. Now make una wan set me up. Or I wan frame me up. Come put God say na me get am. Come put her say na me get am. Now all this thing, say if I see yellow, I say na yellow. Nigerians, uniform people waiting happen. Uniform people waiting happen. Why truth no good for order? How much be their salary when they send you? Check their wife, check their children, check their clothes where they wear, check the food. Uniform man, how much be their salary? Small boys, they busy. They carry our money. They carry billion upon billion, trillion. If they busy, they pay you 100 and something thousand. If they do dirty work for them, they pay you 80 something, 70 something, 200 and something. If they do dirty work for them. Now so it be, you don't go change. That's a papa. Then they send you message in now. Go set them up, go kill them, go arrest them, go. Wait for last thing, zombie no go unless they tell them to go. Zombie no go sit unless they tell them to sit. Now what you know I want to do? They're gonna revive Nigeria. They're gonna revive Nigeria. And they beg on her. On her not scatter Nigeria for us. Things dey go well. What do we do on that? On your mandate. Now campaign be that one. On our leg be that one. We're gonna talk about this convo with this boy, they carry the waka, this small boy. Oba says no pikin don't do like this. Buhari pikin don't do like this. Good luck pikin don't do like this. And they see the convo of the boy. Because he won't call out for governor for Lagos State. They won't take over governor for Lagos State. And they see the boy come for. The boy now don't talk to vice president. The boy don't talk, he don't talk to vice president. They don't talk to advisor to president. They don't talk to senate president. See the convo of passive governor own. The convo of passive senate president own. Only on 6 grand. Soldiers go down. In the soldiers, waiting be in position for Nigeria. I don't just know. Why? When they see this thing, now the boy they control IG, they control chief of army staff, they control director of DSS. A small boy because the Baba president. He did like this for other people. Now like this is supposed to be. My Igbo brothers wake up. Nigerians wake up. This way they go like this, you're not supposed to go like that. You're not supposed. I beg. Thank you very much.